So hey guys, welcome to the video. So in this I'll be explaining you ki what all you are supposed to do in your assignment. So first of all I have sent you many PDFs today. So these are the ones that I have sent you. So these are just I'll just open all of them. So basically what you are supposed to do is कि इनको study करना है and just see कि हाँ how the business and the professional people are actually presenting their work through graphic designing. So if you just see the webinar, it is a poster of a webinar. So the thing is कि इसको और better करा जा सकता था, but it actually looks kind of nice because सारी चीजें जो है वो appropriately mention की गई है. The organization that is actually conducting the webinar, who has presented the webinar, and I guess the topic name has also been mentioned, the date and the registration thing and the speakers details, and they have mentioned on which platform they will be conducting this webinar, and lastly the contact us kind of an element. So it is kind of nice and it can be referred, but it does need some kind of an improvement and it can be improved. And other than that, so you just have to observe all these posters which I have sent to you. And if you want, you can just add it into your research. And it is not kind of a compulsory thing, it's just for an insight. So this is a News 18 uh, kind of a, I mean, an awareness document, if they have, I'm correct. So yeah, so they have tried to take doodles into consideration. So what if you just notice about the negative spacing and the minimum elements that are involved in this? So they have just taken up the logo of the News 18, and Unlock One is the name of the magazine, I guess, or the document. So if you just see key minimum elements, say they are just trying to communicate the masses with the kind of a nice message. So has the lockdown been extended is actually relevant for the for this kind of a graphic because it actually correlates with the line. So as you can see, key have the color coded zones or orange, and will I start working from office, so they have included a kind of a office thing, and they have just tried ki minimum elements से maximum output is there. So if you can just go for a cycle or walk, so they have just mentioned about this thing, so it kind of looks clean. So it is something that can be observed and can be inculcated. If you say just see कि yes का, and I'll just see कि no पे red होगा. हाँ, तो no पे there is red. सो यू जस्ट सी कि हाँ यहाँ पे दे पुट अ डूडल, ऊपर लोगो आ गया, राइट साइड में अबाउट द फीचर और द मैगजीन, एंड नीचे दे हैव मेंशन, एंड बीच में देर इज एन एलिमेंट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग which is related to the line, and the yes or no is kind of a green and in red, so because of obvious reasons. And this kind of a break actually works kind of very nice in this graphic, and the cinema halls and theater, and the even the kind of a font that they have used is kind of a comic style. I mean the one that is used in the doodles. If you happen to have read the Diary of a Wimpy Kid, it is the same kind of a font that has been used. Not same kind of a font, but the category is kind of same. So if you just see physical distancing, that this was actually by one of our interns, and it was after I guess uh, 10 to 12 days that the intern has made this. So if you can just see, I just pointed out that the background image, the background color was kind of nice, but this kind of a lighting was not going with this physical distancing part. And I mean, the previous intern had actually used kind of a well. I'll just, yeah. So if you can just see, it kind of has I mean, the negative spacing has been also been taken care of. The margins have also been taken care of. That this thing is in the same line. And if you just notice कि यहाँ पे अगर logo है and यहाँ पे featuring है, she is also tried कि right side में the hashtag has been mentioned. So just try कि ऐसा कुछ हो सके. So just observe the things कि कैसे लोग present कर रहे हैं चीजों को. This was made on Canva actually. एंड इफ यू जस्ट सी ये काफी प्रोफेशनल एक बिजनेस आउटलुक मैगजीन है. सो ये काफी प्रोफेशनल हो जाता है टू सी कि हाउ ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग इज एक्चुअली प्लेइंग अ रोल इन दिस. सो दिस इज द एडवर्टीजमेंट. सो या आई गेस this is the voices. I'll just scroll down to, so if you can just see in this. So even if it looks like a newspaper article, but the kind of a, I mean, only the margins have been taken care of very precisely. So this is something which you can actually try to inculcate in our designs. Moreover, if you are even also launching a kind of a business, not a business, I mean a society magazine also. So this kind of a reference could actually work for you and business. And if you can just see कि ये एक पेटीएम की cover story है. सो यू कैन जस्ट सी कि एक डूडल के अकॉर्डिंगली, सो यहाँ पे जो ये गैप है ये एक्चुअली द वुड हैव बीन द नेक्स्ट पेज. सो this is kind of not having a graphic in this, but since you can just see कि यहाँ पे if they want to just show the timeline. So the thing is कि काफी innovative तरीकों से you can present the information, and magazine is the best kind of a resource for having an insight कि कैसे कैसे चीजें work कर रही है. So you should be aware about the magazine kind of a thing, because if you can just see कि ये CVs में this blue kind of a line is always there. And तो क्या होता है कि द मोर द ग्राफिक्स यू सी यू जस्ट गेट टू नो कि ये कहाँ से उठाया हुआ या फिर कहाँ से इंस्पायर्ड हुआ हुआ लग सकता है. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ नाइस इंसाइट दैट वुड बी गिवन टू यू. एंड the importance of presenting this was made by one of my friends for his internship. So he was supposed to make a competitive analysis for a company. सो इफ यू जस्ट सी कि बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन भी अगर मैं इसको जस्ट एक पीडीएफ में रिटर्न फॉर्म में देता हूँ, सो इट डजेंट हैव अ काइंड ऑफ एन इम्पैक्ट. एंड जो हमारा, I mean, the mentor or the internship head would actually appreciate the efforts that have been put into this. Because if you just notice कि अगर हमारा एक बस बैकग्राउंड इमेज है जिसमें एक वन टाइम आई मीन 10 to 15 minutes लगाने होंगे, and after that these kind of pictures can be easily edited through Canva. You just have to drag and drop, and I guess the font में भी इतनी दिक्कत नहीं आती. So if you just see कि YouTube का एक logo लगा दिया, and to remove the background of a vector, because since this is a very high quality image of a vector, सो ये ऑब्वियसली व्हाइट कलर में आया होगा, बट इसमें बैकग्राउंड कैसे हटाना है आई बी एक्सप्लेनिंग यू. सो फॉर नाउ यू कैन जस्ट कीप योर, I mean, your research work at halt. I mean, the making the part in which you are making the presentation. So if you just try, वैसे गलतियां नहीं निकालनी चाहिए, but if you just see कि ये most के पीछे जो white color है, this should have been removed. So these are the technicalities that I mean, जो इंटर्न वाला हमारा हेड होगा वो ऑब्वियसली ये नोटिस कर सकता है कि यहाँ पे फ्रॉम में अगर ये व्हाइट कलर की चीजें नहीं रिमूव हुई है. सो दैट इज समथिंग विच काइंड ऑफ कैन बी पॉइंटेड आउट. सो इफ यू जस्ट सी कि कैसे ही हैज प्रेजेंटेड हिज, आई मीन, हिज रिपोर्ट. सो ये काफी ज्यादा इनोवेटिव एंड काफी ज्यादा अपीलिंग लगता है. एंड इफ यू आर इवन इफ यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग समथिंग, so you will be easily be able to market itself. And since it acts like a brochure, so even if you are in a meeting or you are presenting your ideas as such, तो काफी innovative सा लगता है. So this is something which I want for the graphic, for the report part. And a deep kind of a, I'm sure that I won't be making this video long. So I'll try कि ये part 1 और part 2 में डल जाए ताकि काफी ज्यादा heavy ना हो. So I'll be explaining you this in the next video. So day 5 का what all you are supposed to do in this. So एक एक चीजों को cover करेंगे एक ही वीडियो में, ये पांचों चीजों को. So I just told you how you are supposed to do the research work and how you are supposed to present it. So ये क्या क्या चीजें involved होगी इस सब में वो I'll be explaining you in the next part. I'll just title this as part one. So I mean this would have been giving you much clarity than the before, since I thought कि काफी लोगों को दिक्कत आ रही होगी, मैसेज काफी ज्यादा मैसेजेस हो गए थे. So just try कि you just have a look with this, I mean, with this video, तो काफी insight आ जाएगी. And if in case you have any kind of a doubts as such, so you can just ask me on the group. And I guess this would have been well explanatory for everyone. So just see कि the more you are looking on to the graphics part, तो आपको ही ज्यादा insights मिलेगी that what is actually going on in the industry. And the more the graphics that you are actually replicating or practicing, या in simple terms if I say कि हाँ भाई, if I have this graphic as a reference तो मैं उसे कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, तो क्या होता है एक हाथ जो है वो फ्री हो जाता है एंड यू जस्ट गेट कि हाँ ये ग्राफिक है. यू जस्ट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द डिजाइन, नॉट अबाउट द, आई मीन द स्किल पार्ट. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हाँ मैं स्किल पार्ट में लैग कर रहा हूँ तो उसमें ही बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लग रहा है. तो वो जो टाइम है हमें डिजाइन को सोचने में लगाना चाहिए rather than that placing color theory and that stuff. So I guess this has been a explanatory video for you all. And doubts ka I have already mentioned, so just check out the second part for the explanation of all these pointers. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll just end it over here.